Okay, so thank you again for joining the Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers. So, yeah, as you can see from the title, already we want to discuss those three games, but we won't just discuss those three games. I want to give you guys numbers, figures, stats, which cover all three games. So, and for me, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Some of the stats are good, but the stats that are good are not one that you would want to say that you need. For example, um, like fouls. We commit a lot of fouls, so like that. That's not a good stat. But anyways, so people, definitely, I'm gonna give you guys the Reggae Boys performance over those three games by numbers. So guys, please remember, smash that like button, and also I'm gonna give you a bit of details in each one of those because when I do the comparison, there's a lot of conflicting feeling and beliefs that I would gather from those comparisons. So, people, as I said, smash the like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna TV as we here to bring you guys these types of contents. I know most Jamaicans don't even like stats, but guess what? Stats is important. Stats is a part of the game, and that is how the modern football is going right now. So, guys, sit in and enjoy the show. Won't be a long one. I definitely don't want it to be. So, let me gonna give you guys the Reggae Boys games by numbers for those three games in particular. Hopefully, you guys are seeing my screen, giving you guys game by number. Good. All right. So the Reggae Boys' first three games of the World Cup qualifiers were not the best in terms of result, but also, but what's also an eye opener was the data versus each team and overall data accumulated over those three games. Now, let's have a look at those data. Now, in total, we finished the first three games in the group in the stages, the final round at a ball possession at 36%. That is our average ball possession over the three games. Yes, it varies. Like some you have 20, I think 20 something. Like, yeah, let me check. Good. So against Mexico, we had 27%. Against Panama, we had 39%. And against Costa Rica, we had 43%. And the average for that is actually 36%. Yeah, relatively low, right? I'm being honest. It is low. We have to be honest. So we had a total of 22 shots. That is significantly low, people, because when we played against let me see, when we played against Costa Rica, let me tell you, Costa Rica had 14 shots when we played against Costa Rica. They had 14 shots. Mexico had 27 shots. But our overall shot tally is 22, which is significantly low. And we had 5 against Mexico, 6 against Panama, and 11 against Costa Rica. And they still outshot us. Mexico had like 20 something shots against us. So that's another area that we need to work on. And we need to create more opportunities leading to shot taking opportunities. Shots on target 6, really, really low, really, really low. Shots off target, we had 11. No shots blocked 5. We had 11 corner kicks. You see, we need to do a lot more work in our final third. These figures are significantly low, people. These figures are significantly low. Corner kicks, as I said, are offside 6. Now, when you see offside is 6, you know something is wrong. Because in one game, you can have a player going offside at least 4 times because these guys are attacking, these guys are creating chances, they're getting in behind. We committed 45 fouls. As I said, that's one of the stats that we kind of hide by committing a lot of fouls. 5 yellow cards. We have a few players on yellow cards, i.e. Damien Lowe. Big chances 3. That is the most damning stats for me, people. You can't play 3 games and only surmount 3 big chances. That can't work. And you're expecting the team to score 5-6 goals. That can't work. That cannot work. Big chances missed 2. We missed 2 out of those. Kemar Roof is accountable for 1. Javon East is also accountable for 1. So we just can't miss those big chances. And big chances meaning clear cut chances. Shot inside of the box 18. We had 18 shots inside of the box, shots outside of the box 4. Well, for us to have so much shots inside of the box, we definitely should have gotten a lot more goals. But these were not big chances. These were like take-ons, like for example, like exactly like how should I put it now? The one that hit that in the Costa Rica game that Shamar Nicholson had and he kicked it on the keeper. That wasn't a big chance, That was not necessarily a big chance, but it was a chance miss. Big chances are clear-cut chances, people. You have chances and you have big chances. Shots don't account for chances, people, because you can kick a shot from anywhere. So where should I move? Shot outside of the box 4, goalkeeper saves 14. Now that's a lot of saves for in 3 games for a keeper. Let's go over now to the passing stats. We completed 923 passes, significantly the lowest. People, we have the lowest. We have the lowest passes attempted. We have the lowest attempted passes, people. Everyone else is about like 1,100 going up, 1,100 going up passes. So we need to work on that. We need to build more combination plays. That's a part of the game that we need to improve on. Accurate passes, 683 at 73%. I think our accurate passing accuracy needs to improve. Long balls, 82 out of 191, 990, 43%. Crosses, 11 out of 29. People, this is the damning stat. We can't have our team making only 29 crosses. In one game, we should be completing 29 crosses. You can't have so much tall strikers. We have Korberg, we have Shamar Nichols now. We only made 29 crosses in 3 games. That should be one game. We're supposed to try and get those crosses onto Shamar Nicholson. So look, for example, at the goal that he scored against Costa Rica, dribbles 33 attempted at completed 18 at 54%. Possession loss 369. That is in the OK region, because we have seen a lot of that. Duels won 127, which is good. We do contest in a lot of duels. That's ground duels. Aerial duels 43. Yes, we win a lot of aerial duels as well. Tackles, I think we need to increase on our tackles. Interception 42 and clearance 45. We can improve on the interception. We can definitely improve on the interception. I think so. I think we can improve on interception, but for me, some of these stats are quite damning. For example, we need to make more passes. Combination plays a big factor. We need to be making a lot more crosses than that. That figure should have been doubled, or almost doubled in the 50, almost 60 region attempted crosses. Because we can't have these tall structured strikers, and we're not trying to get them on the edge of these crosses. Let me see what else. Yellow cards, that's okay. Corner kicks significantly low. Total shots quite low. Shots on target 6 quite low. Shots off target low. So these attacking stats are pretty much damning, and that has to be something that Theodore Whitmore wants to work on. It must put in some work. We can't continue like that. We're going to be facing teams that are shot monsters, taking a lot of shots, a lot of dribblers. So we have to improve on those aspects of our game. So I won't go any further than this one, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys take something from that. If you guys see anything that you believe that you would want to expound on, put it in the comment section, and I'll definitely react to you guys in the comment section. You guys know that I always answer in the comment section. I always do that. So thank you very much, people, for tuning in. A lot of respect. Military Guna TV, people. You can take these stats and go and dispute them. No problem at all. Let's go. Military Guna TV, people. Have a good day. I am out.